So welcome back again, guys. So here is this wonderful, and if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more future updates. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to look at a VPN with an inbuilt payload and proxy. Okay, so let's quickly jump into it. So we can get this VPN on Play Store. So you search for it on Play Store. So it's called Litron Pro. Okay, so this one, Litron Pro VPN. Okay, so you click on it in order to install it, to download and install it. But I have it already, so you just click on open. Okay, so when you open it, this is how it appears. So it said Telegram. So we have a Telegram channel where we post and discuss about certain new features. So if you want to join their Telegram channel, you just click on yes please. But I'm already on their channel, so I'll just click on later. So now here is the main interface of the app of the VPN. Okay, and it's also a timer VPN. So you need to watch some adverts in order to be rewarded with time to use their VPN. Okay, and here we have their service. Okay, so here we have Ghana service, we have the 450, we have the 550, we have the Telecel Unlimited. Okay, uh, then you scroll down small to you see the 350 megabyte daily over there. In the Nigerian too, we have 400 megabyte, then 1 gig for MTN and all that. We have a lot of service over here. So depending on the country that you are, if you are in Ghana, you use Ghana service. If you're in Nigeria, to use Nigeria service. And one thing about this thing is that, wait, like when you are done, maybe exhausting your 550 or your 300, any of the packages, if you are done exhausting them maybe today, it means you can't use it, you can't switch to any other let's say package again unless the following day. Okay, that's how it works. But if you have a couple of SIM cards, maybe when one this particular SIM card is done, or you are done exhausting the package on it, you can switch to the other SIM card and activate this bundle. Okay, so that's another thing about it. Okay, so as you can see over here at my notification area, so as you can see at my notification area, I don't have any bundle. Okay, you can see it over there. So it says sign into network. I don't have. But the one thing is that in order to start this VPN, in order to get it work, you need maybe a small amount of this in data, like maybe 5 megabyte, in order to load the service. I've already loaded the service. That's why you can see. That's why you can see the timer. Okay, I have 2 hours 22 minutes. Okay, so you need as little as, let's say, 5 megabytes data in order to load their service. And like I said, the payload, everything is inbuilt, so you'll be able to get it. And this one, you don't need to go and look for a website in order to create your SSH account, then look for your proxy payload and do everything manually yourself, and which is very stressful. But this one, everything is in has been built in already for you. Okay, so you just have to get as little as maybe 5 megabytes in order to load their service, and maybe watch some adverts in order to get the timer. Okay, to use this VPN is very simple. Okay, so once you click on, you choose any server of yours. Okay, then you click on, let's choose the 550, this one. Then you come and click on start. Okay, click on start like this. Then the logs will come. You see it's connecting. So at the end of the day, you see VPN connected, and that's how it works. Okay, so this one you don't need to go and maybe go to some website to create your SSH, then look for proxy payload. Everything is in one app for you. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, So thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment whatever you don't understand, and share with your friends. Stay tuned to my channel for more updates like this. Thank you.